For this project, you are going to need Ubuntu installed PC with at least 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of storage, and a registered domain with internet access. Next, let's set up your Cloudflare DDNS to point your domain to your server. अब चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो Cloudflare setup गर्न जाँदैछौँ. Before doing that, let me show you something. Let me connect to my server. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can access your server using SSH. For that, you will be going to need your server IP address. Okay. How you can get that? You need to have curl installed. Check it. I have it. So this is your IPv6 address. You can actually use IPv4 as well, but I'm going to use IPv6 here, just for no reason. Okay. No clear reason for this. So this is your username and this is your IP address. As you then type your password. And voila, you are connected to your server like this. Okay, but since you already have seen it, I'm going to do it using. Okay, this is the domain I'm going to be using later on to access my server without having to add the IPv6 or IPv4 address myself. Okay, this is going to make your server accessible from anywhere. First connect to it. Okay, so first thing we are going to have to do, curl को बारेमा हामीले बुझिसक्यौं है त. Curl install गर्ने, how we can access our server from other. यो चाहिँ अहिले आफ्नै नेटवर्कमा छ भने चाहिँ आफ्नो IPv4 एड्रेस युज गरेर or IPv6 एड्रेस युज गरेर एक्सेस गर्न सक्यो. But from another address, we are going to need the public IP address, जो चाहिँ हामीले हाम्रो इन्टरनेट सर्भिस प्रोवाइडरले दिइरहेको हुन्छ. But it keeps on changing and there's पे गर्नुपर्छ कि के गर्नुपर्छ, but I don't think we can get it from them. त्यसको लागि चाहिँ यो workaround हो है त, using Cloudflare DDNS. This is going to make your server accessible from anywhere else using your DNS or domain name. Okay, so अब हामी चाहिँ पहिला Cloudflare मा लगइन गरौँ. I have already logged in. You can create your Cloudflare account using your Gmail ID. So I have added my domain as well. You can onboard a domain and add it. Right? After adding it, you will have to do. मेरो चाहिँ namecheap.com मा छ. Let me go and check my domain. Oh. And manage it. Alright, let me go to this and let me go to DNS records. I don't have any records, and these are the Cloudflare name servers which I have to set in my domain name. So here in name server in the domain list, you can add them using custom DNS. Custom DNS set गरेर यो दुईटा सेट गर्यो भने Cloudflare सँग linked हुन्छ your domain name. After that, we can add these records using Cloudflare's own API token and zone ID. So let me copy this zone ID, and I'm going to create an API token to edit the DNS zone DNS. So let me go here and select my domain name in the zone resources and click to summary and create a token. Let me copy it as well. I'm going to give you executable code here. Let me give it to you, right? It's my zone ID. Let me paste my this token. I'm going to add api.lordnest.me and lordnest.me. Why not www? Right? All right. I'm going to be giving this SSH .sh code in my description below. So check it out from here there. So let me remove this. All right, I don't have anything here, so let me create a new sh file and paste my code here. What you're gonna need is your Cloudflare API token, your zone ID, and your domain set here. And also you're going to need okay guys, बाहिरबाट कपी नगरौँ है, यहीँभित्र आएर हानौँ किनभने यसले चाहिँ बाहिरको इन्भर्टेड डबल कमाले अर्कै नै ट्रिट गर्ने रहेछ. Just in the Vim you can save it, right? After doing that, just save it. And since this is an executable file, you're going to have to make it executable using chmod x, and you can see it's green now, making it executable. Now let me run it once. All right, it's processing it. Does not exist and it creates. Processes does not exist, creates. Processes does not exist and it creates all of them. I think it created API. Let me see why. Let's check it here in the Cloudflare. Let's go to here. Let me check the DNS records. I think we have all of them, right? So I think it's it. Okay. This is all you need to do. Now, since you are not going to be doing this every time, you're not going to run this executable file every time coming here. Let's just add it to the cron job. Do it using this, and I think I already have it. Okay, let's add it. I'm going to give this code to you as well. Okay. Here we are going to make the main data slash, save it in opt/cloudflare as your domain. Okay, this is the script that is going to add all your code, add all your zone ID. Then you should add it yourself. Okay, guys, also double inverted comma र यहाँको inverted comma different है. That's why भीममा गएर नै edit गर्दा राम्रो. Like .com, you're just gonna need this only, okay? जोन आइडी कहाँबाट लिने भनिसके, क्लाउडफ्लेयर टोकन कसरी क्रिएट गर्ने भनिसके, रेकर्ड्समा के राख्ने आफ्नो मर्जीले राख्ने है. ओके, यो अघि त्यही इस्यु आइरहेको थियो. द्याट्स इट. कल इन्स्टल गर्नु पर्यो. This is going to create or update your records in the Cloudflare. अब ISP ले public IP change गरिदिने बित्तिकै यसले नै आफै यसले ब्याकग्राउन्डमै अपडेट गर्छ. You do not have to worry about anything, okay? So after doing this, यो सेभ गरिसके पछाडि do in your server and then paste this thing. This will be doing it every minute. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो अघिको यो पाथ हुनु पर्यो है. यो मेन डट एसएच जहाँ छ त्यहीबाट चलाउने फ्रन्ट ट्याबमा यसले चलाइराख्छ एभ्री मिनेट. यसलाई आफ्नो उसमा राख्दा भयो है. यु क्यान एड, यो जे नाम राख्दा नि हुन्छ. इफ केही इस्यु आयो भने चाहिँ यहाँ गएर हेर्नलाई मात्र है त, लग हेर्नलाई. सो आई थिङ्क द्याट्स इट. यसमा चाहिँ क्लाउडफ्लेयर सेटअप भइसकेपछि अब प्रोजेक्ट कसरी रन गर्ने भनेर वी आर गोइङ टु सी इट इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो. इज SSH user at like a domain name and it's gonna prompt for password. You enter your server's password. You are going to be logged in to the server. This means that you can access your server from anywhere from now. No need to be connected to your home network to access your server. It's that easy. Okay. So प्रोजेक्टहरुलाई चाहिँ कसरी होस्ट गर्ने भनेर सिक्न मन छ भने do watch my next video coming up very soon.